What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into Fish Audio. We're going to be checking out their brand new model, their OpenAudio S1 model. We're going to be putting S1 to the test today, highlighting how well its emotional control, tone, and multi-speaker capabilities stack up. Now, not that long ago, we did a deep dive into Fish Audio in a previous video where we highlighted various voice models, text-to-speech, and voice cloning capabilities, and it definitely impressed. So be sure to check out that video as well. Now, the link is going to be in the description as always here, so let's put Fish Audio to the test. All right, getting started here. Fish Audio is web-based. Head on over to fish.audio and sign in, and you're immediately going to be on the free tier. Now, this is going to land you on the main interface. It is super clean, and you can start generating right away. Of course, we have voice cloning, text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and you could start prompting and generating right away. And if you look at the top left here, you're going to have some more options here, including discovery. Again, there's text to speech, voice cloning, and my voice library. So everything is very clean here. Let's come on over to discovery. All right, so the discovery section is going to showcase a whole host of models that Fish Audio has. You can sort them by recommended and newest. Typically what happens is they are ordered in how popular they are. So we do have SpongeBob here in the top spot. Let's have a quick listen here.
Oh, Barnacles, this is the most amazing day ever. I get to flip Krabby Patties and go jellyfishing with Patrick.
And we've got Trump.
Folks, we're doing things nobody thought possible. The economy, tremendous numbers, absolutely tremendous.
We've got Elon Musk.
So the key to effective noise reduction is understanding signal processing at a fundamental level.
We've got Cristiano Ronaldo.
Every day I push myself to be better than yesterday. People ask me why I still train so hard, why I never stop. Simple, because champions never settle for less.
Hey, we've even got Peter Griffin. Let's have a listen here.
Let me share an important insight from my years of experience. Successful teams are built on clear communication and mutual respect.
All right, let's come on over to text-to-speech in the top left here. Let's go ahead and click this. All right, we're going to come on over to start from scratch. But as you can see, we can actually include some brackets here to flesh out the type of emotion we want to go with. We're going to go ahead and click on start from scratch. All right, so we're going to go ahead and select a model on the right-hand side. I'm going to go down to my voices. We're going to go ahead and use this voice right here. We just have Joe Rogan. We'll just play a quick sample of this.
And when you think about social media, it's like we're these primitive apes with these incredibly advanced communication tools, and we're using them to share cat videos and argue about stupid stuff. That's where we're at right now. It's fascinating and terrifying.
So we're going to make sure the S1 model is selected here. Of course, this is the newest model, so excited to put this to the test today. And then you're going to see some settings down here as well. Of course, you have volume and speed, pretty self-explanatory. Now with temperature, higher values increase randomness in speech, making it more varied, while lower values make it more consistent. And then top P focuses on more likely outputs for coherent speech, limiting diversity. All right, so let's go ahead and use a sentence here. We're just going to keep everything on default here for this first one. And let's go ahead and generate and play.
Man, that's some crazy stuff we're talking about. You know, it makes you think about what's really going on out there.
All right, that is scary accurate stuff here. So let's try another sentence here, but we're going to play around with the tone, the emotion, that sort of thing. So what I'm going to do is add enthusiastic and warm at the beginning, and we're just going to add a little break, a little pause in the sentence as well. If you come on down to the left-hand side, you actually have a few presets that you can pick here. So depending on if you want to add a laugh, a sigh, a break, and this will just actually put it exactly where you want it. So this gives you some guidance as well. Of course, you can just write in the type of tone here. If I wanted to do angry, I could put that, but let's go ahead and give this one a try here. All right, let's give this one a go.
Man, you ever just sit back and think about space? It's this massive, crazy expanse universe out there, full of stars and planets and who knows what else.
That one sounds great as well. Notice the slight pause right at the beginning as well. All right, let's go ahead and change this to more of an emotional one here. I'm gonna remove the space here as well. Let's go ahead and try this one on for size. Hit generate and play.
Man, you ever just sit back and think about space? It's this massive, crazy, expansive universe out there, full of stars and planets and who knows what else.
It is as easy as writing the type of emotional tone in brackets, hitting generate, and listening to what your creation sounds like here. All right, let's jump into voice cloning. Of course, one of my favorite features in the voice generation space here. So we're gonna make sure we come on over to voice cloning here. And I have the perfect voice that we're gonna clone today. So we are gonna be cloning none other than Dr. Phil. Let's have a listen here.
We send her to this ranch for like like 4 months, right? She goes for a long time and makes a complete turnaround, does a great job.
All right, so we have converted that to an MP3 file here. So we're gonna come on down to the name here, name it Dr. Phil. We'll keep this on public here. We're gonna upload a file here. So it's a max of 32 megabytes. Of course, we can record as well, but I always like to upload a file here. Of course, if you wanna record yourself, you can give this a try. And I just dragged and dropped Dr. Phil here and he slotted right in there. Now my clip is 31 seconds here. It is recommended to have a 30-second clip, the minimum being 10 seconds here. I just want to make sure we're following those guidelines here to get the best result possible. Let's go ahead and click on create. All right, as we can see, we got Dr. Phil ready to go here. So we do have a default sample that has already been loaded. All right, let's jump back over to text to speech here. We're going to go ahead and start from scratch, and we're going to come on over and select our new voice here. We're going to come on down to my voice. We're going to click on use voice with Dr. Phil. All right, and I just dropped in a really brief, simple sentence here akin to what Dr. Phil would say. So why don't we listen to this on default here? Let's give this one a go.
Now listen, you've got to face the truth about what's going on here because you can't change what you don't acknowledge.
All right, let's jump into another sentence here, but let's adjust the emotions a little bit here. So I have a new sentence here. Let's come on down to the front here and we're going to add the open bracket here. So we're going to start with this. And once you do that, you'll see it highlights as blue. Okay. And we're going to write in serious. So we're going to go like this, serious here. And I'm going to add a break right here. All right. So I've got serious at the start here. And then Dr. Phil is going to take a break after the first little bit here. Let's hit generate and play.
Folks, you can't keep running from your problems. You got to dig deep, own your choices, and start building a better path forward.
All right, that one sounded great. I wanted a bit more of an angrier tone there, so I added that at the beginning there. I thought that result was really good. All right, so definitely impressed with Fish Audio's new model here, S1. Now this new model did a really good job capturing the different speaking patterns, the style, the rhythm, especially when making those adjustments with the emotion there. Now Fish Audio is available in 11 different languages, so I thought I'd mention that. And there are plenty of built-in settings to really flesh out the tone and pacing with your outputs. Of course, you just want to use the brackets there, write in a bracket and enter in the type of tone, the type of emotion, and hit generate and see what you come up with here. Let's quickly jump into pricing here. So when you make a new account with Fish Audio, you're going to be on the free tier. Now, on the free tier, you get 1 hour of voice generation per month here. 1 hour is definitely plenty of time to jump in here, play around with it, see how you like it, see what you come up with. Now, if you're getting a ton of value here, you can go with the premium plan that comes in at $9.99 per month. Now you're going to get everything in the free tier, of course, and you're also going to get unlimited generations, priority generations, access to the latest AI models, commercial use of your voice, and much more. Now I would definitely recommend giving this platform a go. Definitely want to leverage that free plan, that free tier. That is a very generous free tier with the 1 hour of generations here. Be sure to come on over to the discovery section, have a look at all the different models here. And the voice cloning is a ton of fun here. So whether you want to voice clone yourself, or a famous person, or a celebrity, or a family member, come on over here, do that. Voice cloning is always a ton of fun. Of course, you can find fish.audio in the description below. Have fun and good luck with your creations.